considering the what's that difficulty, correct? Ranking
Competition or keyword difficulty, both.
info of keyword difficulty of competition. Okay, so let's start talk about the competition. Okay, so competition is a number or a value from Google keyword planner for the paid ads and not really for the organic optimization and rankings. But the learnings, but this also has something to learn and relate with the organic results. Okay, see, for example, when the competition is very high, so let's take some keywords. Uh, Digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital digital marketing syllabus, digital marketing versus software testing. So the competition is high, the competition is medium, the competition is medium, the competition is low. So the high indicates it indicates too many players are bidding on the keyword, but too many players are bidding on the keyword since it's a business driving keyword, correct? A business keyword also implies that too many players are optimizing their websites to rank organically, and hence organically it is and hence organically also it's difficult to rank. Okay, because too many people are competing for the keyword. Medium competition indicates not too many are bidding for the keyword, but this doesn't mean not too many are competing organically. There will be, see, when it comes to organic, n number of players already covering this topic. Hence, organically also it could be difficult to rank. So, low competition also works exactly the same for the organic results. So the competition index of the keywords from the paid platforms, from the keyword planner, from the keyword planner doesn't really help to understand the difficulty level to optimize for the search engines. But the thumb rule is the business keywords are compulsorily the business keywords or high competition keywords com- keywords compulsorily indicate it's difficult to rank organically, whereas medium and low it can be easy or difficult to rank purely based on the number of web pages that already exist related to the keyword on the Google index. Did you all understand this? No?
Yeah.
So I will simplify this. See, if Google Keyword Planner is telling the competition index is high, because everybody are competing to show up for that keyword. Why everybody are competing? Because that's a business keyword. Since that's a business keyword, for sure everyone must have already made an attempt to optimize their website for organically as well. Okay, it's compulsion by default. But when it comes to medium and low, whether it is medium or low, that doesn't guarantee that competition, the difficulty level is low. Though it is medium or low only for the paid ads. But when it comes to organic, even the low competition keyword, a lot of people must have covered lots of information around it. For example, biryani recipe, Google Ads will show low competition. Do you think it's easy to rank organically on the Google? It's quite difficult. Okay, so there should be a different way to understand the difficulty level for organic results. We will come to that. Give me 1 second. Okay. Basically, your question is what kind of keywords we need to target considering the information of the keyword or information of the keyword difficulty or competition. Okay. So how do we understand the difficulty level for the organic rankings of the keyword? Correct? So number one, tail keywords or the lengthy keywords will have the low difficulty level. Okay. Do a check in title keyword, and if there are not too many results. So for example, let me show it to you here. In title, How many results do you see here?
8.
Let's try another query. How many results do you see here?
8.
Is it 8?
87 lakhs.
Yeah, that's 8.7 million. Okay, so this indicates the competition is comparatively very high. So I'll show you for one of the client, we did the same UI slash UX design pay after placement course. And this client is already ranking on Google first page. Now look at this. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five, 6 pages, 6 websites. The seventh result is this one. It's not even a week. It's just few days, and it's already ranking on the Google first page. Okay. So tail keywords or use this method. I showed you right. Use this method to figure out the competition index. So I'll round up this as well. Yeah. So next, cover the
I did not get like how did they like able to rank in the first page, like
who.
like you showed for the website, right?
Yeah.
You told you posted very recently.
Yeah.
In spite of so many competitions, still they're able to rank in
No,
first
no, no, no.
page.
There is which one? This one.
Yeah.
Okay. See, UI UX design related articles. There will be too many. That's why I asked you to check it this way. So if you check it in title, pay of replacement, UI slash UX course. How many are there?
10.
Correct. So this way there will be a lot of pages. See, this will be matching it in broad this number, and moreover, I'll show you the another term. You will see a very big number compared to this. This is 100 units, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 6.3 million, right? How many millions is this? Do you see that? Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, crore. So 1,360 crore results. Did you get that?
Yeah.
So Google already has these many files. So obviously it's like 1 lakh people applying for one single job, government job. So who will get the competition, the process, interview process, everything will be very difficult. So same way, it becomes difficult to rank for digital marketing course as compared to the top ranking for something like this. So now change this pay after placement digital marketing course. How many are there? It's lesser, fewer results compared to that. But still, this is considering in the broad. This is actually in the broad. So it's not exactly matching the results. So as you scroll through and explore, it will be just matching in the broad as well. See, job guaranteed program. It's not pay off replacement. It's not pay off replacement. Okay. So did you all get that? How it works? So cover the topics that not many people are talking about. The recent news or trends will be of low competition. as not many people must have spoken about it. Are you all understanding it now? It's
Yeah.
something like when my mom cooks something at home, I know what is she using, the ingredients and how she is cooking. Exactly this method, what I'm showing to you is, you will know what is that's being considered to decide whether it is highly competitive or low competitive. Now, when you rely on a tool like Ahref, are they telling how they are grading it? Difficulty level, high, low, medium, or whatsoever, high difficult, low difficult. Are they really telling it to you? We just have to blindly trust it or go with it. But moreover, even if it is accurate or correct, why do you want to opt that heavily expensive tool when you can all do it by yourself? So it's something like you have bought a bike investing 1 lakh, and now to go to the office you are hiring a person paying 50,000 monthly to drive the bike for you, ride the bike for you. So when you have invested so much and bought the bike, it's not a rocket science. You can drive it by yourself to the office or wherever you are going. Now you don't have to hire a person just to ride the bike whenever you have to go out. It's not even car or a bulldozer or an airplane, right? So there are many such instances where digital marketers blindly rely on tools that doesn't help them to grow with their creative skills or cognitive skills or analytical, logical, reasoning skills. None of the skills will develop with those people, and lifetime they'll be just relying on those tools. Okay, so I'll tell you. So there are a few other methods to understand the difficulty or ease level to understand. Now your question is not just about understanding, right? The keywords, when there are multiple keywords. So you may have to check all this manually now, correct? That's another pain, correct?
Yeah.
You may have to, because and few times when you are working on it already you will get to know. So based on the intent, so based on the intent of the keyword, you will be able to understand the competition or difficulty level. Okay, so I'll tell you. So in 2017 everybody were focusing on these terms, CSM certification, CSM training in Bangalore, and they were not getting any leads at all. I mean, they will not get the leads because they are not ranking on the Google. Why they are not ranking on the big Google? Everybody are competing for it, and it's quite difficult to rank. And there was an untapped segment such as CSM training costs. And when we implemented this strategy for some of our clients, they all came on the top quickly in no time. So look at this knowledge that this our client, Star Agile our client, and whomsoever you see in the top, Simply Access was our client, but that's a different topic. Premier Agile. So I'll show you other keywords. CSM course syllabus. See, these keywords people usually don't think of. They always will be behind something highly competitive or something that's irrelevant, not highly relevant blog. So now look at this. This is the strategy of ours. This is the client. This is also our client. This is also our client. This is also our client. Whomsoever ranks, see, identifying such terms and tapping in. This is also client. So searches is easy. So when you are working on it, you will understand naturally what is easy and what is difficult to target. And don't go with too much of volume. So people, another thing people do is, people, everyone considers high volume keywords and develop mostly content only for the high volume keywords. This will create a high competition. Go with the go with the low volume keywords. On basis of this is one thing. On basis of the patterns, grade the computation or difficulty level. This both the last 2 points can be done in bulk. Not only last two, the others also. And you know now what you are doing. You don't have to rely on anybody. So you have to consider these parameters to understand how difficult or easy it is to rank. Okay. So regardless of competition index, regardless of the difficulty level or competition index, your website will never rank for the keywords for the following. Can anybody tell for which reasons the website will not rank regardless of the competition, though the competition is low? Though the competition is low, easy, your website will not rank for any keywords. When will this happen? When does this happen? So you're all focusing on the keyword difficulty, but even if a low competitive keyword is provided to you, will you be able to rank it on the top? A medium competitive competition keyword, will you be able to rank it in the top? See, actually, the terms that which I am using are highly competitive keywords that everybody are focusing. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, the ranking difficulty or ease goes with the uh, relevancy as well. Okay, so let's assume a term. It's not about with regard to the keyword. It's about the ranking or difficulty or ease goes with the relevancy of the content. Okay, so when the information is not up to the mark, regardless of the regardless of ease or difficulty, even with the medium or low, your website will not rank. Regardless of the difficulty level, the websites will never rank. Are you all getting it? Regardless of the difficulty level or competition index, your website will never rank for the keywords for the following reasons. When does this happen? When you have poor crawl stats. You all know when will be the crawl stats be poor? When you have poor CTR, irrelevant meta tags. When you have poor engagement, see poor engagement for several reasons, and irrelevant content also, for irrelevant content on the topic can also be a reason for poor engagement. So we haven't put those in the point in this section, the engagement at CTR, I guess irrelevant content. Let's add it. Here for the CTR also, relevancy, first point itself is added relevancy. Yeah. So hope I have answered it. Are there any other questions? So we can cover the questions. If you have any other questions, and we are left with App Store optimization. Even that one can be. We can discuss that in the next class. Today, complete day, we can go with this Q&A only. Yeah, Ashwini, so you have any other questions?
Yeah, like one more question. Is like day before yesterday you were showing about freelancing job, right?
Yeah.
In that, like I've seen some like you showed that some job is related to website building. So they were bidding on that.
Yeah.
So those bidding cost will be including that hosting and domain, like that will be including that cost, or that cost will be paid by them. Like,
See, they would have mentioned it over there. I want, see, usually domains will be purchased by them, hostings will be purchased by them, but there can be a rare scenario or possibility that they might tell, I assumed that the website will be bought by you, so hosting will also be provided by you. No, it won't be usually. See, you are being just hired to construct a villa or a apartment or something else. Obviously, the plot has to be owned by them, right? In that case,
yeah.
right? So I have never seen such scenario that the hosting has to be by you or the domain name has to be by you. So when they say website, they already own the domain as well as the hosting. If they don't own, you can tell them, so I need a hosting, and they will provide you the hosting as well. Correct?
Yeah. So they'll be giving a permission to
Yes,
build,
yes, yes,
right?
obviously. And all the communication happens over the platform only. There are scenarios
Okay.
they might come offline as well, but the payment, everything, see, communication might happen offline, but payment, everything they will make through the platform only. Platform charges some commission from you.
Okay.
Okay. So no one has questions. So I assume that Ashwini is only one who is following the discussion classes, or trying to implement whatever is being learned by her in the class. That's why she has questions, and no one else are really curious to know the new things, or no questions from anyone. Anyone has questions? Ashwini, you can go ahead, Ashwini. So if you have more, you need more clarity on different things.
As of now, I don't have any other questions.
Yeah.
Whenever
So
I'm implementing,
yeah,
I'll be getting questions
you
like
you
any
you write an
doubts.
email to me. You send it on chat, or use any other medium that's available for you to get the details. So I'll be happy to provide you all the details.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope I answered your question, difficulty level.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go by this method. So my sincere suggestion to all of you: first understand how things work. Uh, sorry, yeah. So how things work? Understand how things work first. Then you try to use the tools, or you try to avoid those tools as much possible.
Like when I was writing a blog
Huh.
in office, there's to like we have to get the keywords like which have volumes.
See, my
So
suggestion
what
is,
basis
I'll tell.
here?
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Like we used to get the multiple keywords. So what is it like if you keep the multiple keywords in a blog?
Okay, so I'll rephrase your question. So whenever you have to write a blog topic, an article, in that article you are incorporating multiple keywords, correct?
Yeah.
Now what is next part of your question?
Why it is done like multiple keywords?
You don't have to actually. So this is what we discussed in the very first classes. See, when people understand this in the right way, you really don't have to go behind the keywords. That's what I keep telling to a few people here. There is no point of doing the keyword research. I'll just paste some topics. I'll just show some topics to you. So let me copy how to plan the blog topics and assign keywords. I am doing this. This is not your question, but I am assuming that this might help. Okay. So if you look at this, so none of these topics were suggested on basis of the keywords. None of these topics were suggested on basis of the keywords, and no keywords were done. So one of the team member has sent an email, so here are some topics for so and so client. I instantaneously wrote these topics in just 2 minutes and sent to them. No keyword research, nothing. Okay. So now what happens is, when I send this topic, why the website is important for a business, so digital marketers are going to, so I'll write the process. The process is, they will develop content, correct? They will develop the content, correct? They will
Yeah.
optimize it to rank for the topic, maybe why the website is important for business. Okay. So now in the process, this is the process, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. Now there are additional things that brought in. When are they brought in? So the digital marketers, I can say the digital marketers not greedy, but they understand the topic is also eligible for various kinds. See, they understand. See, now this is the regular process. normal person process, digital marketer process. So now what digital marketer does, they will optimize it to rank for the topic, why the website is important for the business. Now next, they they bring in their understanding that the topic you covered is also searched in multiple ways or keyword variations. They become greedy, or they believe that the article is now, yeah, they believe that the article they believe that the article can be also optimized for all those variations and drive more traffic. Example, product is digital marketing training, which ranks for digital marketing training if optimized, correct? But
Yeah.
the page, but the service you provide is also searched as searched as digital marketing institute course, classes, right,
Yeah.
etc. The process, additional process, hence incorporate incorporate them so that your web page ranks for many other variations instead of only one, right? Another example, save my number on your phone as just Manju. So I'll be Manju. Now scenario, my contact will be shown only when you type Manju, correct? When you type, so now save the contact as, so now the main goal is my contact has to show as many times as possible. Now save the contact as Manjunath Chaudhary Kandra digital marketing trainer. Now it shows up when you type Manju Manjunath. I'll not take Manjunath Chaudhary Kandra digital marketer trainer. How did you this contact now show up for so many keywords? These are terms used in identifying the contact on your phone, and these are nothing but the keywords. Are you all getting this? Exactly, it works the same way in optimizing the web page and ranking it on the search results. Did you all get that?
Yeah.
Right, so this being the reason, so people optimize the web page for multiple keywords, correct? Unfortunate thing is unfortunate thing is people can't really use the common sense to understand always understand the full name of Manjunath or how he is being called or referred as, and start using tools like keyword planner, Ahref, keywords everywhere, etc., and call it as keyword research. Should you be really doing a keyword research if you are building a web page for Manjunath? You know that person is called as digital marketer Manju, digital marketer Manjunath Chaudhary Kandra, or maybe digital marketing trainer, digital marketing consultant, correct? So if you could understand the search patterns, now this example is not really connecting you, right? So if it's a digital marketing training, correct? Correct? You understand people might search it as digital marketing course, correct? Certification, institute, classes, online, correct? Near me, right? Are you all following me?
Yeah.
So you don't have to do the keyword research. Just apply the common sense. Now, people, what they do, digital marketing training is there. They do keyword research. They do keyword research instead of allocating the variations, such as the variations or patterns. They will just bring in or assign the keywords of no use. Example, digital marketing training. Again, digital marketing training online, online digital marketing training, correct? Is there any point of having the same keyword? It's same, right? Online is additionally coming in. Instead of digital marketing training, they could have covered institute, correct? Classes, correct? Correct. Here, okay, one time they have bought online. Now here, instead of online, they could have covered, eliminated this keyword, and they could have tried digital marketing training institute, correct? Institute or classes, correct? Did you all get that? So the
Yeah.
same thing, they are getting it with just mix and match of the terms, but not really bringing in the new terms such as institute, classes, online, near me. They are repeatedly bringing again and again. Online will be either to the front or to the back or in between, right? So your focus has to be covering in these terms, whether that's blog or business page. You have to understand the possible ways of querying it. If it's a blog, don't scratch your head much. Automatically all the variations would have got covered in the blog. Okay, did you all get that?
Yeah.
Clear? Okay, see, this way, coming to the blog topics, planning the blog topics, where did I write how to plan the blog topics and assign keywords? So we have discussed this in detail. We have discussed here, not plan the topics. Maybe I'll call this as blog optimization, blog topic and optimization, blog topic and optimization, process comparison, and more details around the same. Okay, it's clear, right, to all of you why so many keywords are used. The intention is not to use the keyword online digital marketing training online. The intention or objective used to cover all these variations, right? See now, if here also another example, instead of covering Manjunath Chowdhury, one keyword, Chowdhury, Manjunath, again Manjunath, again Chowdhury. See, you have used four variations, but all these four variations covers only Manjunath and Chowdhury. Where is Kandra? Where is digital marketer? Where is trainer here? Did you all get it now?
But Google will detect, like, if you give any one name also, it will detect, like, or based on the specific keyword one,
No,
it
no,
will
no. You
detect
can
it.
simply cover Kandra Manjunath Chowdhury digital. You can write a title like this: digital marketing trainer. Now this covers when someone searches Kandra, this shows up. When someone searches Kandra Manjunath, it shows up. When someone searches Manjunath Kandra, it shows up. So basically, all your keywords are covered here. That is another silly thing by digital marketers, where they go keyword research and they bring mix and match keywords. There will be mix and match variations, something like this. Again, now they use these terms wrong because just Manjunath and Chaudhary are covered and not other variations like Kandra, digital marketer, trainer. I mean, trainer is a digital market trainer, consultant also, digital marketing consultant. Okay, so your focus has to be, you pick the keyword such that always pick the keywords, always pick the keywords such that it covers all the variations. So if people ask me how many keywords have to be assigned, you don't need to go with the number. If five keywords are covering 100 variations, done. Five is enough. Correct? The five, everything will be subset subset of this five keywords. You all got that? You all know what a subset is? Yeah, you all understood, right?
What is subset?
Subset is basically the subsequent level which belongs to a parent. So, for example, eyes, nose, ears, everything is subset of my face. Everything belongs to face. If I am using the word face, I don't have to again say eyes, ears, nose. Everything belongs to the parent. Okay. So now Kandra Manjunath Chowdhury is a keyword covered. Now Kandra is subset of Kandra Manjunath Chowdhury keyword. Chowdhury is subset of Kandra Manjunath Chowdhury, and just Manjunath is subset of Kandra Manjunath Chowdhury. We have picked the keyword where everything becomes subset of this parent keyword or the
It
main
will
keyword.
also take that Kandra digital marketing trainer, like leaving
Yes,
Manjunath Chaudhary.
yes, it will. It will. Okay, so that's why I suggest for blogs people keep doing this thing, wrong thing, where this people keep doing this thing. They take variations like this, 20 variations like this only. Just five variations can be there which can cover most of the keywords. Yeah.
If there is a slight changes, also it will detect, right?
Yes, yes, it will.
Like
It will. It will.
some like grammar, like some people will be
Singular,
using
plural.
in
Yeah, it detects
or
singular, plural.
from.
Yeah, it detects. Even the synonyms it detects. It's capable of detecting the synonyms as well. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah, if there are no questions, we'll wind it up for today. And in tomorrow's class, we'll discuss App Store optimization.
Okay.
Yeah, can we wind it up for today?
Yeah.
Anybody has questions still? Feel free to ask the questions, get the clarity. Okay then, yeah.